MK Cup 200 car here at Snetterton on the 300 on the MSVR Sensational7s Allcomers Race. So Ben's first kick-off for the year, the season. Now if you want to get into cup racing, this is it. Hayabusa powered, 200 odd horsepower, R888, very competitive car. Well, let's see how we get on in qualifying. Give us a thumbs up there, Ben. Good to go. First up, compulsory noise test. Make sure she gets in. Everything else, so better pull her up. Get a noise test done. And it's time to go racing. We measure it up. All the thumbs up, ready to go racing. Let's go. Okay, I'll do a little bit of a grid walk here for the MSVR Sensational7s Allcomers as well race here at Snetterton 300 circuit. Well, what we've got here, obviously a plethora of different cars for Cup 200s, going into aero cars, going into Saxos, BMW M3s, Civic Type R's, a few other Caterhams that are running in Sensational7s. Peter French here who's organising it with the Sensational7s, M3s, more radicals, and a stock car, like a V8 stock car. Pretty cool little thing. Moving on, radicals to, well, it's like an LMP style car, I suppose, and even a very low to the ground Porsche 911. How sick is that? So that's your grid that sets up for today for the MSVR Allcomers. There's about 20 entrants here today, so we'll see how we get along in qualifying with Ben in car number 66 in the Cup 200 car. Front of the grid here. See how we crack on. Right, here we go guys, race 1. Ben's qualified in 11th out of, it's 19 or 20 cars. So grid's getting lined up, radicals as expected on slicks and wings are at the front. And everything in front of Ben actually is pretty much barring Caterham here, they're on V70A Kumos, everything else is on slicks in the front here. But they'll line them up, get them ready to prepare them for the rolling start. There's still some more rolling in. And yeah, we'll see how we get on for race 1.
doggy, but it doesn't quite happen. So Aaron sits back in the bike.
Right, second race finished. Car number 66, Mr. Ben Britten. P2 in race 1, P1 in race 2. So, congratulations, Ben. How was that?
It was good fun.
It's good fun.
Not on slicks though.
Not on slicks. Back onto the Triple Eights. Well, that's it. That's a wrap. It's Sensational7s. It's Snetterton here. P2 and P1 in races here. So Ben goes away. A really happy lad. So if you want to get involved in the Cup 200 Championship, Cup 200 cars, Cup 200 racing, anything you want to do, be like Ben and hook us up at MK Sportscars here, and we'd love to get in touch. That's it, guys. That's a wrap from here at Snetterton in the MSVR Allcomers Race.